Hello, my name is Abhishek Rai and I work for BMC Cloud Lifecycle Management product. Today I'm going to talk about how to allow end users to request a service on behalf of another user. So far, Cloud Org admins and Cloud admins were allowed to perform this activity. Starting from CLM 4603, end users will be able to perform this activity on their own. During the demo, we'll talk about activity only from Cloud Services Console, allow end users to request a service on behalf of another user. Just to note down that this functionality is only available from new My Cloud Services Console. To enable this functionality, switch to Configuration Workspace and under configuration workspace switch to console preferences. Once you are there, scroll to the end and there is a section called end user console configurations, and under that you have got two radio buttons for request on behalf, enable and disable, and then a checkbox which says allow across all tenants. Go ahead and enable this functionality by selecting enable radio button, and in case you would like your end users to request on behalf of users belongs to other tenants, then go ahead and select this checkbox. For this demo, I'm gonna have this radio button enabled and this checkbox enabled as well. Once that is done, click on save button. Once the preferences get saved, switch back to new My Cloud Services console and logged in using the cloud end user. Here's the new My Cloud Services console and I have logged in using the cloud end user. Let me go ahead and refresh this web page. I'm refreshing this web page as this page was already open. Okay, so the web page has been refreshed. You can see the technical owner as of now is cloud end user with which I have logged in. Let's go ahead and click on change owner to select a user for which you would like to submit this request. So I'll show you two scenarios. First is that this end user is gonna select a user from its own company. So there are multiple ways you can perform search. One is find users by name, login ID, and organization. So for example, I know the organization name, which is CLM provider to which this end user belongs to. So let's go ahead and type CLM and it's gonna fetch the user belongs to the CLM provider companies. You can see that over here. And you will be seeing that when end user is gonna submit the request on behalf of other user, the user which is gonna come under the result sections are going to be the end users. So you can see that all three are the end users. You can select any of these. So you can do that as well. In case you would like to submit a request on behalf of a user belongs to other tenant, then go ahead and either type the login ID of that user or the other tenant company name. So for example, I'll go ahead and type demo, which is the other company name, and it's gonna fetch all the end users belongs to that company. So you can go ahead and select that, and here you can see that the technical owner has been changed from my own end user to the user which you have selected, and then later you can go ahead and fill all the details and submit the request. I hope this video was informative for you and I would like to thank you for watching this.